And here I have Lysol all-purpose cleaner. I just wanted to show you quick. Kills 99% of the bacteria, 99.9. Kills germs, tested and proven to kill COVID-19 virus. This is a really good all-purpose cleaner, and it has a great lemon breeze scent. So anyway, I want to spray some of this on this paper towel here and just show you a little bit about what you can bring up. Because sometimes when you're cleaning, you don't actually know if you're getting anything, or if you think a surface is already clean, you may not think so, but check that out right there. Okay, so you can also use this over on like your wood table or your seats, anything like that. And we're gonna just clean that up. It has you can already smell the nice lemon scent as well. Good for cleaning chairs and tables and high chairs, anything like that. But you can also use it on your sink as well. So if you want to shine that sink up a little bit better, easily put some lemon scent in there and rinse it down, and then you can use your dish disposal. Put that lemon scent down in that dish disposal as well to freshen up that incinerator. That is for the Lysol all-purpose cleaner.